Hey, hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. So today program is sum of the numbers. Okay, so what is the sum of the numbers? So here they are given the input like 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we have to add all the numbers, which means 1 plus 2 plus 3. So what will be the output? The output will be 6, right? So now what I am going to do is I'm going to separate the number and then I'm going to add the number. So let us check how to separate the number. Okay, so in this method what I'm going to do is just I'm going to take the value 3 from the given input. I'm going to take the value 3 and then I'm going to add this value 3 with the second number 2. Okay, so again I'm going to take the third number 1. So I'm going to add 2 plus 1. So what will be the answer? The answer will be 6. Okay, now let us see how to separate the number. Okay, now what I want to here I'm going to store one variable like sum equal to 0. Okay, now what is the question is we have to take the last value. So how to take the last value means we have to divide the given input with the value 10. Okay, if I'm using modulo means it will give the last number. So what is the last number here? The last number is 3, right? So here I am getting the answer as 3. So sum equal to I'm going to store the value 3. Okay, so after getting the value 3, now I have to get the value 2. Okay, so how to get the value 2? If I want to get the value 2 means I have to remove the value 3. So how to remove the value 3 now? We have to use slash 10. So whenever I am using a slash 10, it will remove the last term. So our answer will be 12. Now I am going to use mod 10. So mod 10, now what will be the answer? The answer will be 2. So here I am going to store the value 2. Okay. So again what I am going to do is I am going to remove the value 2. So how to remove the value 2? We have to use a slash 10. Right up. So the answer will be 1. Okay. Finally we found the value 1, right? So here I'm going to store the value. So 3 plus 2 plus 1. The final output will be 6, right? So let us write a program. Okay, so here I'm going to give the integer like int n equal to I'm going to give the input like 1, 2, 3. Okay, so now what is the method? We have to take the value 3 and then 2 and then 1. After taking all these numbers, what will be the n value? The n value will become empty, right? So here I'm going to give the condition like while we have to take all the numbers until the n value will become 0. Okay, if I take the value 3, 2, 1, then 1 means the what it will be the n value? The n value will be 0, right? So that is what here I'm checking. So now I'm going to check 1, 2, 3 is greater than 0. Condition true or false? Condition true, right? So now I'm going to take the last element. So that's why I'm going to declare one variable. So remainder equal to n mod 10. Okay, so remainder equal to n mod 10. So for example, what is my n value? N value is 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3 mod 10, what will be the answer? The answer will be 3. So remainder equal to, first I'm getting the answer as 3, which means the last number. Okay, so now I'm going to store the last number in the sum variable. So sum equal to sum plus remainder. Okay, so we have to declare the sum variable, right? So here I'm declaring sum equal to initially 0. Okay, so sum equal to sum plus remainder. So what is the sum value? Sum value already 0. So what is the remainder value? Remainder value we found the answer is 3, which means the last number. So 3, 0 plus 3, the answer will be 3, right? So sum equal to, I'm getting the answer is 3. Okay, so after taking the last value, now what I have to do? I have to take the second last. Okay, so how to take the value 2? We have to remove the value 3, then only we can remove then only we can take the value 2, right? So now I'm going to remove the value 3. So 1, 2, 3 slash 10 it will remove the last value, right? So that's why here I'm going to upgrade the n value. So n equal to n slash 10, which means n equal to already n value is 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 slash 10, what will be the answer? The answer will be 12. It will remove the last element. So now again I'm going to run the loop. So what is our n value? N value is 12. So 12 is greater than 0. Condition true or false? Condition definitely true, right? So now again I'm going to take the last number. So remainder equal to n. So what is the n value? 12. So 12 mod 10. So 12 mod 10, it will take the last number. So what is the last number from this value 12? 2, right? So remainder equal to, I'm getting the answer as 2. Okay. So sum equal to sum plus remainder. already the sum value is 3. Now our remainder value is 2. So 3 plus 2, what will be the answer? The answer will be 5. So now I add the value like 3 plus 2. Okay, now what will be the remainder one? The 1. Alright. So now what I'm going to do is again I'm going to remove 2 from the value n. Okay, how to remove the value 2? So we have to divide the value with the help of 10. So 12 divided by 10, the answer will be 1. Right. So again we upgraded the n value. Now I'm going to check the while loop. While n is greater than 0, which means 1 is greater than 0. True or false? Condition true, right? So remainder equal to 1 mod 10. So 1 mod 10, we will get the answer like 1. Okay. So sum equal to sum plus remainder. So already the sum value is 5. So 5 plus the remainder value is 1. So the answer will be 6. Okay. So again I'm going to remove the n value. So n equal to n slash 10. The n value is 1. So 1 slash 10. Here I'm getting the answer like 0. Which means it will remove the last element, right? So the n value will become 0. Okay. Again I'm going to check the loop. So 0 is greater than 0. Condition true or false? N value is 0, right? So 0 is greater than 0. Condition false, right? So we found the answer. What is the answer? The answer is 3. The answer is 6, not 3. Okay. So we take all the elements from the n value, right? So finally I'm going to print the output. So system dot out dot print system.out.print. So here I am going to print the sum value. So instead of this print, I'm going to print the sum. So let us run this code. See, here I am getting the output. Right. Hope you all understood. If you want to get more video like this, you can subscribe to this channel. Okay.